whenever you're around. And I've been longing for your heat, your touch. Oh, I belong to you. I hope we keep alive.